Two of the world's most recognized hotel groups go head-to-head, IHG versus Wyndham. Which one really delivers? On the left, IHG, bringing global comfort, luxury, and loyalty. And on the right, Wyndham, offering unmatched value, reach, and simple rewards. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's how we're going to tackle this. First up, global reach, because, location matters. Then we'll hop over to the brand portfolio, like, does it have the luxury you want? Next, rewards and loyalty, because who doesn't love free nights? After that, we'll cover business traveler focus for all the conference goers and remote workers out there. Guest experience and amenities, because sometimes you just want that spa or a killer breakfast buffet. And finally, fees and value, because nobody likes surprise charges on checkout. Buckle up! So, starting off with global reach, this is where scale really comes into play. IHG, they're no small fry, boasting over 6,599 hotels in more than 100 countries. It's impressive, but if we put it under the microscope, Wyndham actually goes big. Like, really big. We're talking 9,286 hotels, more than 900,000 rooms spread across 80-plus countries. They're literally the world's largest hotel company by property count. Although, honest moment here, most of that network leans toward mid-scale and economy, so don't always expect marble entryways. But hey, if you want options practically everywhere, Wyndham's reach takes the lead. Now on to brand portfolio. IHG flexes some serious luxury muscle. Think Intercontinental and Kimpton, plus classics like Holiday Inn and Holiday Inn Express. That means you get recognizable choices whether you want to splurge or just crash for the night. Downside? High-end does mean pricier stays, especially compared to Wyndham. Speaking of Wyndham, their lineup is massive for the value seekers. Super 8, Days Inn, Ramada, and the rapidly growing Echo Suites for extended stays. But, and this is big if you're chasing status, there aren't as many truly upscale favorites here. It's mostly about getting the most nights for your bucks. Still, for overall brand strength and that luxury edge, IHG walks away with the win. All right, rewards and loyalty. This one totally makes or breaks some people's hotel choices, right? IHG has its one reward system. Lots of tiers, plenty of elite perks. But if you crunch the numbers, the actual value back, it's one of the lowest in the biz, around 5.2% on your spending. That's kinda meh. Now enter Wyndham Rewards. Oh, and here's something cool. You get back close to 11.75%, which is genuinely top tier. Add the low fees, and it's no wonder points geeks love them. Sure, their top elite perks don't hit the Hilton or Marriott levels, but from a pure value math standpoint, Wyndham crushes it in rewards. Quick pause. Did you know Wyndham Rewards has over 95 million members worldwide? That is honestly wild. A program bigger than some entire countries. Business traveler focus. If you're traveling for work and need things to just work, IHG delivers with luxury venues and serious global infrastructure for conferences and big events. Plus, lots of their hotels include free breakfast and Wi-Fi, which is a legit perk. The catch? You guessed it, luxury ain't cheap. Wyndham, meanwhile, goes for flexibility. Meeting spaces, easy access to airports, and those extended stay brands make it super practical for longer gigs. The pricing is friendlier, but you don't get that same polished, upscale vibe in most cases. For sheer business travel polish, IHG's got the edge. Guest experience and amenities, next! IHG really piles on those extras at their flagship spots. Kimpton and Intercontinental especially go for those luxury touches. Even some of their select brands pack in the perks. But honestly, if you land at one of their mid-scale properties, expect things to be more basic. Wyndham comes through on reliability and family friendliness. Think free Wi-Fi, flexible suites, and easy options for groups. But keep in mind, amenities can vary like crazy from place to place. Overall, if you want solid, predictable extras, IHG has the advantage, hands down. Finally, fees and value. Ugh, nothing kills a vacation vibe faster than a brutal checkout bill, right? IHG does have some affordable options, Holiday Inn Express, for instance, but when you get into those sneaky fees, Honestly, they rack up some of the worst charges, especially for elite bookings and parking. Wyndham, by contrast, keeps things simple. Lowest resort and parking fees in the market, straightforward pricing, and you know what? Value here really means what it says. Sure, you're missing some luxury perks on those cheaper brands, but man, your wallet will thank you. Wyndham takes this category by a mile. So looking at all those categories side by side, it's pretty clear. Wyndham blows away the competition in reach, loyalty rewards, and bang-for-your-buck value. IHG flexes harder in luxury, amenities, and treating business travelers right. It's honestly neck and neck, depending on what matters most to you. All right, time for the real talk. If your mission is premium comfort, killer breakfast, and that boardroom-to-bedroom experience, IHG feels like the upgrade. But if you want sheer choice, low fees, and the best rewards return, Wyndham is a no-brainer. So, my verdict? Go IHG for upscale stays or business. Wyndham for stretching your budget or maximizing your points. Pretty simple. Now it's your turn. Think about what you really need for your next trip. Do you want luxury or lots of options? And don't forget to bookmark this page. I'll be dropping more travel hacks and hotel deep dives all through 2025.